Are you a leader who is tired of watching your people's potential go untapped? Are you struggling to inspire and motivate them? I want you to imagine a workplace where everyone thrives, where all challenges are met with resilience, and where everyone achieves their full potential. That is the powerful impact of coaching and mentoring. We will be running a program on how to coach and mentor at the Waterfront Hotel in Kuching on August the 12th and the 13th. In these 2 intensive days, you will learn the GROW model, which is the cornerstone of every successful conversation. You will understand when to mentor, when to coach, and how to create an environment that is supportive yet challenging for your people. My name is Rozana and I will be your trainer for those 2 days. And last but not least, Kami miyak Sarawak. See you then.